we are taking a classic comfort soup and making it even better. Today, we are going to make My name is Ashley Patrick with Westlake Produce Company, and this is
Jonathan Moreno with Harry's Fresh.
And today we are going to make
Fresh onion chicken.
This is rich, cheesy, caramelized perfection, and it's all done in one pan.
And simple ingredients include chicken breast, Harry's Fresh onions, butter, broth, thyme, and Gruyère.
And that's it. The magic is all in how you prepare it.
Alright, so first we're going to flatten our chicken so it cooks evenly.
That is the funniest sound.
Then we season both sides of the chicken.
Now that we've got our oven heating up to 400, first step is we need to melt our 2 tablespoons of butter. So we've got our 2 tablespoons in here, starting to melt on about medium-high heat before we then go and add in all of our sliced onions. Okay. I feel like we should be ready for the onion.
I think so.
Pardon me, the Harry's Fresh onion. All right. You can smell the butter in the air. It means we are ready for our onions. So I think that's all you.
Now we will take our Harry's Fresh onions and throw them into the hot butter. It looks like our onions are all nice and brown and done. Now we can remove them so we can begin to see our chicken.
It smells so good. Yeah. Okay, now that our onions are moved into the original container, we're going to take some more butter, drop it in the pan, let that melt for a little bit before we throw in our chicken breasts. Now we're going to sear our chicken breasts for 5 minutes on each side. Fresh pan, and got number 2 in the pan. And then we'll let those sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll flip them over.
Now we flip it onto the other side to get that nice feel.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Okay.
The 5 minutes. Now that both sides have been seared for 5 minutes, we'll remove the chicken and place it into an oven-safe rack.
Awesome. To stick with that one pan theme, now what we're going to do is take those onions that we had already softened up and browned. We're going to throw them back into this pan here. Toss these in, like simple. And then on top of that, we're going to take about 3/4 cups of broth. Add those in.
There you go.
And then we're going to mix this together just for a couple minutes to get all the flavors combined. Ooh, it already smells like French onion soup. I'm so excited. All right, so now that our onion and broth mixture is all warmed up, we are going to take this and pour it over our chicken that's sitting in that pan that's going to go into the oven.
And smother.
All right, you think we're ready for some cheese? Because I'm always ready for some cheese. All right, sprinkle some cheese on here.
There you go.
Oops.
Never have enough cheese.
There's never too much.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys, so I think we're here. I think it's time for our final step. You ready?
I am.
Time for this chicken to crisp up in the oven.
Go in the oven, 400 degrees, for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, looks like it's been 8 to 10 minutes.
Oh,
Let's transfer this over.
that looks amazing.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I think we did it. I think that's it. I would probably suggest you could eat this on its own with no sides, but at my house, I like to add some green beans, maybe some mashed potatoes. If we're not feeling that, maybe a little wild rice pilaf could go well with it as well. Really anything, any simple additions of veggie and starch could really be an excellent addition to this dish. But make sure you have your hair's fresh onions.
That's right.
To make your amazing French onion chicken. Enjoy, guys.